Hi everyone, this is my first video to show you my living room, and thank you so much for liking my page. Please do comment and let me know how do you like my living room, and then I'll show you the rest of my rooms. So we'll start here. This is a console table with the mirror on top, and I put some of my kids' pictures here and a decorative bottle and a beautiful lamp. Over there we have sectional sofas which are beige, and I have added some decorative red and orange pillows on there to coordinate with my red and black couch, and also the rug. And we have the same kind of color theme wall art up here, and then we have a lamp in the corner and red flowers. And also I put this colorful wooden box on the table that goes very well with my cushions. And if we turn around, we have a small cube here, and then this accent chair along with this lamp in the corner and this Moroccan candle stand or lamp. So if you like my room, please do comment and let me know, and then I'll show you my dining room, my family room, and other rooms in our house. Thank you so much again for liking my page, and please do comment. Thank you. Bye bye.